shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.
It's Mother's Day and I'm excited. We're going somewhere we've never been, to the Guadalupe Dunes State Beach. And of course, we have to stop and get Mexican food in Guadalupe along the way. I've got my Mother's Day shirt on and my pretty Mother's Day necklace. Come along. Fresh crops planted at Highway 1 in Halcyon. Headed to Guadalupe for Mother's Day. We're gonna go spend some money there. Mother's Day flowers. Get some Mexican food. They even have vegan Mexican food if you're interested, because King Falafel's closed. That was where we wanted to go. Sorry about the wind. And then we're gonna head out to Guadalupe State Park, the dunes. We've never been. And I'm not gonna do much of the ride. If you wanna see the drive out, we've done it several times on the channel. You can see it on the Drive and Talks. Not very sunny today. The ocean's over there in the fog beyond those dunes. Happy Mother's Day. Oh, we didn't make it far. Bobby's gonna buy me some roadside cherries. I don't want flowers because I can't eat them. But they are pretty. Very beautiful, giant bouquets, fresh. Oh, it's a big bag. Nice. Look at this little thing.
Gracias.
Thank you. Thank you. Yummy. I can't wait to eat these at the beach. We're getting closer, going under the train bridge. We've been just chatting about food for days and how California is so cool. We can grow so much here, even rice, which they grow in Sacramento. Lots of strawberries around here. I guess these cherries we've got were grown out of Fresno. Where we grew up, it's grapes, and more grapes of the wine type. All right, we'll be there soon. I'm hungry. Hungry, not hangry. All right. We are passing the Welcome to Guadalupe sign. We did a cute little, we've done several episodes here. Find those on the playlist with a little bit of history. It's a very cool town. I'm wearing my amber ring from Bobby. And then this is a fire opal. And then I already showed you the necklace from Bobby's auntie. And then some stacked bracelets. Very old historic town. Still a farming town. If you look beyond the buildings, there's all fields out there. That's the old Oddfellows building. Far Western Tavern still closed. Two Guys Pizza is supposed to be excellent, we've heard. You have a memorial here for Vietnam, I think it is. We wanted to come to King Falafel, but they're closed. And look at, that's the market. And that's what we're gonna eat. La Pasadita, I believe. Ooh, what's that thing in like the little pot? That looks good. I might go off the chart and get something different. All right, I want to look at that picture to see. This is available if someone wants open up shop. I want to see what this like pot thing is over here. Oh, it's shrimp. With what? What is all that? What are those things?
Looks like maybe scallops, right?
Ew. Well, that's the name of it. I'll see if I can figure it out. Ew, that looks scary. Oh, mole, it's like a chocolatey. All right, let's go see. Oh, you can write on the walls. I never noticed that. Like this place is good. Open 7 days a week, it looks like. Getting tacos. How about a drink? We're gonna get drinks too. everybody loved their meal. 2 thumbs up. We will definitely come back. Good service. Good food. What's this? Oh. Oh, that's the market was from the family, Masatanis, the Japanese family. They were in the internment camp, and they own the biggest house in town around the corner. It's super pretty and old Victorian.
They still own it?
Yeah, they still own it, and they own this too, like 3rd generation. A little bit chilly. You can see the dunes in the distance there. And we're gonna head over to the Dune State Park now. We got the Amtrak station to the left. I saw in the local news they're gonna be upgrading it. And right now it's not much, as you can see. That's a fun little train ride. We've taken it to Santa Barbara. On the right, we're gonna pass the cemetery. We did a tour there. It was really interesting. They actually have a mass grave here, Justin, with the Japanese that they just threw in one grave because they weren't, their ashes weren't, they had the ashes at the church and they said, you're not allowed to have them at church. You got to put them somewhere. So they're like, where? And they just put them in one hole here.
Was there an internment camp close by?
No, most of them were in the high desert and stuff, but the people from this town were sent to it. It's a very cool cemetery. Okay, you take a right here. And then down here is the Rancho Guadalupe Dunes Preserve. About 5 miles out. Preserve is closed. Why did it say that? I guess there is a lot of homeless people here. Authentic, too. I wonder why it said closed, because the news said it's all back open. I guess that's their little school, home of the Bobcats. I don't know.
High school, junior high school.
It said intermediate. Is that what that means?
It said junior high school inside.
Weird.
Yeah, washout or something.
Wow. It's weird. It's like a layer of sun and then the coastal fog. Got all these fields. So is that thing sticking up like a grain elevator, like what we saw in, see the tall thing there? Or that's like a drilling thing, huh?
Yeah, it's like a drilling well.
I don't think they really use those grain elevators, or at least not like they used to.
I don't think so.
I was a little confused on the whole thing, to be honest. They got their Oasis compound and the trees over there. Oh, is that it's a big park? That's nice. That's something to remember. We love parks. Huh. Got this. Are the seeds already under the plastic?
No.
No.
There's no holes in the plastic at all.
Oh, okay.
You gotta poke holes in them and put plants in.
All right, so they're getting that ready for planting. And then you can see the dunes over there. There was another accident.
There's holes and plants planted.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, just those little rows where he was working. Oh, here we go. Cute.
Standard plantings of early harvest.
Ooh. Oh, that was quick 5 miles. County of Santa Barbara.
Sorry.
God.
No dogs.
The snowy plover
Good
stuff.
thing we didn't bring a dog.
Oh, she wouldn't have been allowed here.
Nope. She's a bad girl.
They said something about the dates for the plovers. So that they must mean parts of it you can't go to, just like by also Floco.
Yeah.
Look at all these weeds. Wildflowers! Purple ones! Purple and white! Those were the purple ones I was trying to explain that we're always with the mustards in the field behind our house. Just growing up. Oh, good thing you washed this today.
Good thing.
Good thing. It's really clean for Mother's Day.
The whole point was you getting in a clean car anyway. So
Well, thank you.
Already worked out.
Actually, you can use the duster for this. You can just dust it off. Thank you, honey. Huh? Did you bring your drone?
No.
Aww. Just kidding. Oh, there's even water in this. Ew. Ugh.
Wow, look up ahead.
What is it?
It's a mining or something.
What the heck? Oh, what a trip.
Back to pavement.
Nice. Hold on, let me dust it off real quick.
Yeah, get out.
Look how tall the mustards are. What do you say, 6 feet? Some of them 8 feet.
Yeah, 6, 7, 8 feet. Wow. Super bloom.
Ooh, look at this. The road was closed because they had all kinds of debris. Look at all this. This must have been on the road, or
It's depressing.
what is this? We've never been here, guys. Wow, look at quarry kind of stuff. Quarry work.
Concrete quarry, maybe rock. Yeah, look at all the different grain.
Oh
grades.
wow, trip. And it's still operational. And then this, wow. So they're making the sand into stuff?
It's mostly for just sandboxes, cats, kicking it,
Kicking it. Sandblasting.
sandblastings.
What a trip. Guess we can open this.
Wow, never really want out the dunes.
Well, we're not driving
Going
on
up
it.
that way in a second.
Oh, there's some pretty pink, hot pink flowers.
I'm pretty sure there's like a parking lot at the end.
Yeah.
I hope so. It's warmer over here. Thought it'd be colder. Oh, this is all roped off because of snowy plover. What? Because there's little signs. Yeah. Oh, sensitive.
It's sensitive.
What's all that?
Depressing.
What's the white stuff? Shells?
Looks like trash.
Oh my gosh, no. Ooh, look it. What is this? A lagoon? Neat. Cool. There's some kind of creek or something. You can see the cutout of the trees along there. See it? Neato. Driving through some sand. Gotta do it. Wow. I don't know why. I just got a flashback to the Doors movie when he's in all on that sand, like in the middle of nowhere, all tripping out. Remember?
Yeah.
Just like sand dunes for days. Wow, it's very unique, very different. It does make you feel weird when you're in a different
Geological setting.
sure.
This goes all the ways.
An idiot. The thing I was digging for was on my lap already, so I probably wasn't going to be able to find it. That's like a lagoon, huh? It's really cool.
Something.
It's all something, something.
That's it for you.
It says 1-lane road ahead.
Damn, the size.
The dunes. And it goes from flat to...
right out onto the dunes, or?
No, there should be a parking lot. Just
There's a bathroom, so I see the parking lot. But yeah, pretty much. Unfortunately, the sand doesn't stay off the road like we want it to. The sand just does what it wants. Wow. Where's the end? Oh, okay, it goes along like that.
Is that Cadillac?
There's a Ranger's truck too.
old ass.
Oh, the Ranger's at the bathroom talking to somebody. Oh, well, that was a pretty bird. I hope I got it on there. It was very colorful. Did you see it, Justin?
I didn't.
It had like a bright yellow chest and like blue sides to it.
Is there not a bunch of parking, or?
Made it. All right, I'll catch you in a few. We're just checking out the informationals and we'll head down there in a minute. It's a what?
California lease carry. That's a new. It's not just the snowy pole.
Oh. Huh. Yeah, all this is roped off to protect these birds because they're endangered. Who wants to go swimming?
I do. I think it's like 55 degrees. It's not bad.
Brr. And it feels like 30.
Yeah. Straight to the bone. It paralyzes you. It's so cold.
It does. It cinches your lungs up if you're burning. What are these for? Rocks. What? The hell? What is it?
Or concrete or something.
Huh. Trip. I wonder if they get some kind of aggregate for that plant we passed from around here or something. Oh, it's like this stuff. Great white sharks.
Where?
The dolphins. The whales.
Humpback whales out there.
There's always whales coming or going. Had the honor of seeing them come by many a times. You don't have to get on a boat.
Killer whales.
I know. They're definitely by Morro Bay for sure, I know. Stop, pause, and educate. Oh, what's this? It's a memory of somebody or something, huh? Oh, there are walking sticks right there ready for you. No pets allowed. We almost brought our pup. Good thing we didn't. Oh yeah, the muscle quarantines. All right, we'll just go find a little spot, huh? I'm gonna have to put my hoodie on pretty soon and mess up my hairdo. Wow, look at how it goes so down over there. Down to the...
Yeah, that's probably a good fish.
Are you allowed to, I wonder?
Yeah, fish all of it. There's a guy down there at the very end fishing.
Oh yeah, I see him. Wow, the waves.
Water's pretty blue.
Yeah.
David Green. That shit looks deep.
It does look very deep. Don't mess with the Pacific. Oh, are these a bunch of those little jellyfish guys that are dried up? Oh, they are. They're the sail jellyfish. They're dried up. See them? What happens is they catch... they're none of them are... Okay, he's in the right position. They have that sail on top, and it catches the wind, and it'll just throw them up shore, and they just dry up and die out here. These are on Stinson Beach too. We used to see them all the time when we were kids.
Yeah.
I'll show some that are less dried out. Smells like the beach. Yeah, they're all over.
They're blue, actually. Getting on.
Oh yeah, they're bright blue on the bottom with a white sail that sticks up. They're really, when they're fresh, they're quite fascinating. And they're like cobalt blue. All right, let me give you a little view and then we're gonna enjoy each other's company for a little bit. Here at the edge of the West Coast, the Pacific Ocean, the mighty Pacific. There's a bird. Very cold. Very mighty and very beautiful. Look at this cool rock. Ooh. There it is.
Shelly.
Shaly. Over here you can see the water used to go way up there. It's all full of shrapnel. Let's swim in the lagoon.
Yes.
Ew, escargot.
Yeah, like
Legit Lake
a
Garden.
legitimate snail.
Legitimate snail.
How does that feel?
It's not a sea snail?
I don't think.
Maybe a little baby one.
He looked like a lot thicker shell than a regular snail to me.
That looks like the ones I have at my house. Oh my god, they're so annoying right now. There's literally probably millions.
Of snails?
Snails, yeah. And slugs too.
What's that?
Bark.
Oh. See, do you see these? The jellyfish things are all faded out now and have no blue to them. They're all dried out.
Yeah. Stuck together.
What was... All right, this is the second dead pelican we've seen, and you guys know how much I love pelicans from that last episode at Hartford Pier.
Oh yeah, there's something. That's right. I read an article.
Poor pelican. There was...
There's another one over there.
Yeah.
There's one here.
Oh jeez.
They're
they
all
got
over.
Some kind of disease right now, something like that. That's right.
Oh man, that just, oh God, I'm not gonna cry. But yeah, we saw one down the way on the beach too. The other birds were eating it. It's like there's no starfish in Avila anymore. There's no abalone in Avila anymore. Those both used to be prevalent.
Pismo, though.
That looks kind
No, there isn't.
of drop there.
Yeah, look at that, babe. It's deep too.
I know. This is how the water's getting up on top of
I feel really bad for the pelicans. We're trying to, oh, it does look like a farm now, doesn't it, Justin, in the
Oh
distance?
yeah.
The plastic for a farm. It's not that cold out here. I mean, we all have our hoodies on. One
The sand is warm.
barefoot, and I've got my Birks. Bobby's got his new Moses shoes on. Brand spanking new. He still has the little, what you call it right there. He likes to leave those on for posterity. Ugh. See how dark blue they are before they dry out? Poor jellyfish. Poor all dead animals all around us. Gosh. Wonder if it's ever sunny here, if this is a beach that's just never.
Stuck.
Where are they at?
The big white car was stuck.
Oh. Really? It looks like that's a Subaru. Subaru? There's
Wow, man, this is like a good fishing spot.
probably. What is all that stuff down there by them?
Some babies waiting behind.
Poor pelicans, don't stay here. Ew, look at they're eating. Those guys are eating the fresh blue ones. Huh. There's something over there. The ducks are going for a ride. What's that? A shoe? What is that? Oh. No, it's like a piece of seaweed, I think.
76. Val J's spill, 1984. Thanks, Exxon.
Tar balls?
You ever step on that?
Oh, God.
You
Sticky.
use coconut or like olive oil to get it off. That's the only thing.
Olive oil is also good for like squeaks. Like a squeaky fan or a... You know, you just reminded me of our good friend. Oh wait, because I want to be here. That's what I think, but it's
There's more, yeah. It's probably is oil.
that's what those chunks are that are flipping up, right? What we think are shoes, it's more chunks of that. That one looks like a...
Yeah, that's like the...
Don't touch it.
Yeah, if you ever
It'll
step
get on
that,
you, man, and never leave you.
Smell it.
Really, any oil is worth it.
So, babe, I wanted to tell you how I know that about the olive oil, and who I'm thinking of right now is our good friend Adrian Penichetti, who passed away. Mother and father, both Italian, and everything that I would at work, like, oh, this hurts, put olive oil on it. This is squeaky, put olive oil on it. Like, every single thing for him, that was a remedy for anything. It was so funny to where I'd tease him, like, I know, olive oil. Rest in peace. More dead pelicans. Oh, you can see this was bones too. There was quite a few of them here.
Get
Where'd
back
it
to your
go?
designated area. There's
Hey,
two of them.
there's snowy plovers here. We were not supposed to go near them. I'm zoomed in. Try to double zoom. But yeah, all this area roped off was theirs, and some are over here. They didn't get the memo. Cute. Oh. Oh, I want those pelicans to fly from here and go. Poor pelicans.
There's a bunch of three of them out here, actually, or more. They blend in so well.
They're so little, I know. Yeah, they do blend in well. Cute. They're fast with their little legs. All right, we'll walk to like up there and like where we can look down on the pelicans. I don't want to bother them, and then we'll turn back. There's ladybugs everywhere right here, we noticed. Some over here too, you said. Where? So weird. A lot of them are barely alive. And there's some colors in a piece of the shell. Here's one that's alive. They're fat, plump ones too. Huh. We're seeing the damnedest things.
Maybe they did get a lot of food at the garden.
Some kind of artifact here from some kind of structure or pier or something. Bobby's checking it out. And we're almost to the pelicans. We're not going to go walk up to them because actually we should scare them away to a better place so they don't die here, but it's up to Mother Nature. Actually, this is probably close enough, to be honest. Let them have their space. Look at that guy right there. I think he's a killdeer. See that one with the long, or a fisher. The lagoon's really pretty from this side. The dunes in the background. Oh, it looks like there's another part of that thing.
Oh yeah.
Like whatever it was probably a pier. Probably went over there somehow and all the way down and out. We'll have to show Bobby. He's having a moment to himself. Run while you can, pelicans! Oh, a bunch of them just landed in there. I don't know why I feel like the lagoon is part of the problem because they seem like they're mostly dead next to it.
Yeah. Hopefully they don't dump chemicals in there.
From all these farms, I think it's inevitable it has to run off into that probably, huh?
Yeah.
Think about the Salton Sea. That's completely freaking... Even the Napa River's dead forever from the tannery waste they dumped into it. I saw people are starting to kayak on the Napa River again and stuff. It's kind of... I don't know. I hear that water is really contaminated. Like, dangerously so. That's why no one's ever in it. Think about any other town, people would be down there with lawn chairs and their ice chests hanging all along the river. Plus it's brackish and tidal, so it's kind of ugh. So over there, that extends, and you can see a piece, see it?
What?
Another piece of this, like it extended like some kind of pier or something that was long and came through and out. No. Yeah. We figured it out. Pretty powerful ocean, huh? I'm gonna say that's a major undertow right there if you're to get in that water. Okay, taste test for these cherries. You're gonna have some?
I'm gonna go take a peek.
Okay. Thanks for letting us know. Oh, yum. They're the good kind. Have you ever had the ones that are like clear inside? And they have no flavor. They're so gross. You can just make a pile and put them in a napkin or something. Should have had a big napkin. I like them. 2 thumbs up. All right, we're headed out. We had a wonderful day. But there's times when you can't even see this road. They did a little bit of like scooping to keep it off a little bit. Dunes as far as the eye can see. We give it 2 thumbs up. I was telling the family the only thing I would change was the dead pelicans. Everything else was cool. Bobby said he's cool with it all.
Bobby's okay with the cycle of life. Chalk it up to old age and bad choices.
God. Yeah, that's true. Bad choices, but not by the poor pelican. Still busy. People are still coming on in. It's after 2:20 in the afternoon. Oh, there you can see the water down there. Pretty. You think that's brackish water?
Yeah. I'll make it through, but thank you.
Oh, they're looking at something. Oh, helping you. Mexican people are polite.
Very polite, especially the elders. They try
Yeah.
to teach their kids well, and they, decide.
Whoa, this person should get over a little bit, though. Yeah, thank you, sir. I know, what the heck? And it's not like, oh, over there was, okay. You got a headlight out, ma'am, oh, sir.
Your windshield is all. Never mind.
God. That reminded me of that couple we were watching. Whoa, you're coming in hot, too. That lady where she was saying she was grumpy, and it was early in the morning, the van life couple, and he's like, you're grumpy. She's like, I am grumpy. And he said something else. So she goes, I am the editor. She gave him that look like, I can say whatever I want right now because I can just cut it out later. Wow. Can see pretty far. Huh. What's that big ball thing over there and up in the...
Well,
Something for farming. Oh, it's like a water tank. Oh, that's a Guadalupe water tank. See it? Cool. See it right? To the right, you see the big cluster of trees. Hop over to the left, and there's a smaller cluster, and then do one hop over, and you'll see a white thing. That's an orb, and that's the best I can describe it. Does anyone else see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you see it, baby?
I've seen it before. See it all the time.
Oh, and this is a good view over here, too.
Road to nowhere.
Ooh.
Little bit of a jump.
Launch off. I was sitting there describing it, waiting for you to say, see, I see it, I see it. You saw it the whole time. Oh yeah, the wildflowers. Look at those pink ones. Why do you gotta go so fast?
Look at all of them.
I want at the next cluster.
Babe.
We learned that dune dandelions are only found in San Luis Obispo or Santa Barbara County. That's so cool. Pretty cool views into the distance.
Another week, they'll be all white and purple and pink and everything with the yarrow in the background and the purple.
Oh yeah, it already looks pretty.
Lupin or whatever the thistle, some purple thistle. It's starting doing its little bloom stuff.
Oh yeah.
And some mint
There is
mustard,
a lot of flowers out here.
mustard and thistle.
Nice. Yeah, fresh thistles.
Thistle's good for you too.
Oh yeah, it is.
Not your skin or anything, but
Dandelions are, so I bet dandelions are.
doomed to know it.
It's so cool that there even is a dandelion. I never knew. I've never seen him over by our beach. Coming up on we're assuming some kind of concrete sand or some kind of plant for something. It seems like it's a pretty small operation, whatever it is. Oh, look, they saw that tree. This tree fell across the road here. Yeah, that stuff hasn't ran in a long time. No, that stuff's not going anymore. You think?
Maybe.
Oh.
I mean, it definitely looks like they're still putting stuff in here.
It's being separated for something. There's a track. Oops. There's a front end loader over there. Pick 'em up truck.
Yeah, I definitely someone's working here doing something, but
Baby dry. Oh, no, it's seeds.
oh, and they've got some of it packaged in these. I'm filling it up here. Yeah.
Man.
I may or may not do the research depending on how I feel. Look at it.
Oh.
Is that tailings or?
Yeah.
So weird. There's more of what they had to clean up. All right, you pretty much saw this ride coming in, so we're gonna drive through the flowers. Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers. We just stopped real quick because we noticed the reason this was closed is because this road was gone. And they're trying to figure out what's growing there. This has been a great day. So let me show you. You can see the white. That was gone. Road completely gone. Here's some of what's left of the different debris and what they pushed off to the side. So yeah, this was pretty bad. Plus all the trees they had down. So yeah, they tried to dam this up, but the water just raged right through here. Took the road with it like it was nothing. What caught my eye first was this embankment here of how high the wash embankment was. And then I matched it up to the road color being different. So yeah, hopefully you can get a perspective here with this all washed away. And now it's been replaced with more of a concrete. And then they have some kind of drainage below. Go down. There's a weird ship out there in the ocean. We're trying to see it again.
It's supposed to go faster, I think.
This is the road that was washed out too. Oh yeah, we're going down the whee! Here we go. Whee! And we're gonna go over there, one of our excursions over there. All right, see if you can see a boat out there, Justin.
I saw one that way. It's like a yacht.
Maybe. Jeez, maybe. Woo! Your daughter just wished me happy Mother's Day, it looked like. My daughter's still sleeping. Well, she works the graveyard shift, so it's not that she's lazy by any means.
What time does she get off?
When does she work there?
I think she got off at like 6 or 7 this morning.
Yeah. She goes at like 3 in the afternoon and gets off at like, how many hours? 3?
15 hours.
Yeah. Look at the hillside over there with all the houses. Those were never there before. I hate it.
There's 2.5 acres for sale up there.
Jeez. That used to just be rolling hills. And then that one right there, that giant one that looks like a hotel, it's actually a house. It's ridiculous. I wonder how long before none of this is farmland anymore because they can sell it to developers. Hopefully. I won't have to see it. Oh, there's some nice gift baskets too. All right. Just getting some editing done. I made my little label for our cute little collection from our outing on Mother's Day.
If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just be love and watch the smiles come.
Thanks for watching.
Bring my spirits up.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
There's some shit I like to fix, but I still